Hi, my name is Ashley Fullington. This is for my 545 class at Grand Canyon University for Dr. B. So I'm going to be asking some questions and then answering them. And I hope this video is helpful for other teachers out there or future educators. Explain how sharing resources and collaborating with other educators when designing instruction supports specific learning needs and promotes student engagement in meaningful tasks. Um, Collaboration learning has been shown to not only develop higher level thinking skills in students, but boost their confidence and self esteem. When we work together as a whole, we can create better learning experience. Teacher collaboration positively impacts students' achievement and allows educators to explore new territory. So I guess what they're saying is when teachers get together and they co-create like a lesson plan, like maybe you'll have throw some visual with some audio, or maybe you'll maybe have like you know something planned together and is opening a new doorway for students to explore that route, maybe using digital technologies that they have never used before, and they're learning all these things, and which can lead to them having better grades and boost their self-confidence. um two Question two: quickly briefly explain each activity and how it supports students learning. Letting students read a story or poem out loud supports student learning because they're working on fluency, which is the natural sound of their voice. This also help students recall details of a story. So basically, you have the students read out loud, have them read a story to you, and by them reading the story, they can hear how the words are coming out, and which works on the fluency of their voice. When there's a hesitation, or if they said the word wrong, for example, like dog, and they say dag, then you know that there's something wrong, and then you can work with them and build up their fluency from there. Having students hold up a big flashcards with letters and having the students read the words out loud supports student learning because they are able to visually see how the letters are broken down and are able to sound out each letter to form a word. So you get these big flashcards and you might put one letter on each of the flashcards to spell a word like cat. And then the students visually connect and see the letters and then sound them out and then say the word cat, which works on their memories and developing those skills. Um, Asking students what words they want to learn and pin them up on a word wall, and then playing games like classroom bingo or hangman or crossword puzzle supports student learning because they are having to write out the words, which works on their gross mechanic skills and works on written expression. So basically, you ask the class, maybe you give them like 8 words, and out of those 8 words, they choose 4 that they want to learn, and you pin it up on the word wall. Then you create worksheets around those words and play games in class with them and see if they understand the definition of the word and how the word is written, how it sounds, and this develops on their memory and their memory bank, which is also making them also write in the written expression, because when they have to write it out, you can see how they're writing out. Are they spelling the word correctly? Is it misspelled? How is it? Does it look sloppy? You could tell a lot by the way a student writes. Um, Using colored magnets to build words supports students' learning because they are forming the letters together to make words and develop memory skills. I like this idea a lot, using colored magnets, because then the students will are able to connect the color to the letter, and it works on the memory, and they're able to make connections that this is how you spell cat, not KATCAT, and yeah, that the it's a really fun strategy to use in class. When reading a book out loud and asking questions supports students learning because they are able to identify what happened and who did what and why, and build on their memory banks. So when you're reading a story, you might stop and say, "Hey, so why, who raced against the tortoise? Or why did the tortoise and the hare race?" Asking them these questions is seeing if they're able to the ability to remember what they heard and what um who did what, why did they do it, and it helps them understand and comprehension of what they are reading. Sight word bingo. Students support doing sight word bingo supports student learning because the student will have the ability to identify letters and words on sight and it comes out naturally. So it's basically sight words are like really small short words, I guess you could say, like the, in, out, and they're able to recognize those words without hesitation. It's just like in an instant they understand it, they know what it sounds like, they know what it looks like. And doing sight word bingo is a really fun way to build their memory, their comprehension, their fluency, and skills. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this provides helpful information for other teachers out there. Have a great evening. Bye.